feeling you've been somewhere before, of knowing what the room looks like before you go through the door. Oh, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. Yeah, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. Have you ever met someone somewhere you loved at first sight, and you both knew without a word you'd love 1,000 nights? Oh, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. Yeah, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. Mystics of the mountains, mystics of the sky. There'll be a time you're sure to find there's a mystic in her eyes. Oh, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. Yeah, babe, you're tied to a mystic line. You're tied to a mystic line. It's always been the same old thing. You got me dangling on a string, never showing what you think about me. But I don't mind, got lots of time, and I'll just go on loving you patiently. I guess, my dear, you have always known, 'cause my love has always shown, and I believe that's why you tease me. But I don't mind, got lots of time, and I'll just go on loving you patiently. There'll be a day you say you love me, no matter what you say, now you'll see. You're a queen with many a pawn, but I'll be here when the rest are gone. Though you're pretending that you disagree, but I don't mind, got lots of time, and I'll just go on loving you patiently. Hope my patience, it don't run out, at least not till my heart it wins out. Just as sure as the morning sun, you and I are gonna be one, though you're trying hard not to notice me. don't mind. Got lots of time, and I'll just go on loving you patiently.
I thought if you were just going to get those cats, I thought everybody would train and be at the window, but those
in a world so full of people, to think that there's just one, and only one life that's right for you, is the proposition that makes couples come undone, and one that I have found to be untrue. But you're not one for reasons that sound like alibis. Believe a man should toe the center line. So if sorry's not enough, my love, reason why, honey, let me sing another line. Search the whole world over, you'll find men all the same. To play your part, you need be made of stone. And surely as my heart beats fast and blood flows through my veins, a man has got a right to be his own. Ah, but you're not one for reasons that sound like alibis. You believe a man should toe the center line. So if sorry's not enough, my love, and you need a reason why, honey, let me sing another rhyme. The hardest part of living is to face reality. Sometimes the bonds of love can bind too tight, and though love's dream is fancy, it's still just fantasy. In your heart and soul, you know I'm right. But you're not one for reasons that sound like alibis. You believe a man should toe the center line. So if sorry's not enough, my love, and you need a reason why, I guess it's time to sing the goodbye line. Then I guess it's time to sing the goodbye line. Well, we've filled our glasses many times, and we're feeling warm from the wine. Friends, it's time to go to sleep and let our dreams bring us peace. The world can make it alone. So let's all go home. Talk is all that we can do. The answers answers aren't with me or you. The problems are in such foolish hands, and their answers you never understand. There's a dance it takes two, or titles that don't mean a thing. And someday we'll surely see them fall, but who'll survive them all? Friends, it's time to go speak and let our dreams bring us peace. The world can make it alone.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to give you Larry Burns'
So let's all go home. Friends, it's time to go to sleep and let our dreams bring us peace. The world can make it alone. So let